didn't think it would. Okay. Be honest with you.
Go.
Sanding. Okay.
Wow. You gotta sand it? You have to sand that? What do you think of it?
Kawalas ko yan.
What are you sanding?
Saan? Pala kasama?
No, they will. I think what he mean is he after are we gonna paint stain it, then it's gonna be nice. Stain.
Olo, ibta sa barabara mo olo.
Looks good,
Ibta sa
right?
ibta.
Yeah.
Ibta sa ni.
It's better than hollow
Ibta,
block.
ibta na.
Alright, and then we'll do a section here too.
Why tubig no? Man. Okay. Ha?
Tayo ang ikuan, ligas flashlight, kaya ganon. Kaya naadyo naman.
Oh, na yun na. Daddy! Daddy!
Yeah,
You have 200 peso
I only have 1,000.
because the plus light is fixed and he will go there to.
Okay, I have to give him 1,000 peso bill. He needs to go get change somewhere.
No, I have 200 in my bag.
Okay. The flashlight is fixed?
Yeah.
Bring it here so I can charge it.
Yeah, no problem. Dati, all thanks sir.
Yeah.
What?
Kali ba?
Everything is just piled up in the corners. You can't find anything.
Dako man.
Isa man asam.
Kuha niya itong gipalit.
Don't mix
These
it up.
are
Which one?
small.
Which one is the number 2?
Yes.
That's the number 2.
Yeah.
Okay.
Huh? Oh,
What are you saying?
said we will send them home.
Who home? Who?
The worker.
Oh, okay.
200. Ay, namamatutap mga taga 200 na sungbag, na nasumbag pagkuha sa pitaka. Nasong pitaka, ay na nasumbag na mamatutap pagkuha 200. Ina nasumbag. Ay na nasumbag na pitaka.
I don't have to talk to you all. Okay.
Nasong pitaka. Nahumbag na lamisa. Wow. We really need a lot of bamboo. We have to go back to the mountain.
That's why we're only doing this side with bamboo. We're not doing the other side.
Bamboo is cheap, but it's so hard to bring it back here.
Just this one side.
How about here?
Danny said that when this wall is finished,
Hmm.
this is where we should make the native chickens against the wall, so that you're not buying. So you only have to build one side.
Yeah, true.
But I'm worried that if we put everything here in the corner, it gets stolen so easily.
I don't think so.
No, okay,
We're gonna put camera.
okay.
Napay tubig diha. Oh. Napay tubig diha? Ha?
Oh God, that scary rooster.
Ah, okay, good. See, it's good if you put water. You have.
They have water in the barrel.
You're fast.
No.
Ay, sa nga rin na kay nagkibumag.
Ha?
Papanos ni.
Hmm.
Panos. Dalian ko na nila.
You're fast, huh?
Yeah.
And don't stop.
This back wall.
They can go home tomorrow morning.
They have to come back. You're coming back? Okay.
Yes, of course, you come back. I just want
Tell
them
them don't be
to.
mad at me. I wasn't mad at them. I was mad at the electrician.
Nawa lagi ko na siya nga suko ninyo. Nasuko ra ko na siya sa electrician.
I'm sorry. Okay.
This is scared of you.
Tell them no. I'm just a pussy. If they just yell at me, I'll cry.
Hmm.
Tell them.
May gani kay nagkuan mog tubig. Wala ba tubig dito?
Tanot. Gigamit man nung.
Di, nahurot na siya. Nahurot na po siya.
Hindi ah. Agas talaga dito.
Agas po siguro dito. Ah, may trabaho gapon no, kaya di init.
Lagi kaya sus. Grabe inita. Ang inita.
They said it's so hard to work at daytime. It's so hard. It's so hot.
It's better they don't. It's better they don't.
Yeah.
They work later in the day.
Yeah, that's what they said.
It's better they
They
don't.
will work early in the morning and they will work
Tell
like
them not to. Tell them not to. Tell them not to work during the 1, 2 o'clock.
Yeah.
12. Tell them after lunch don't work until 3 o'clock, 4 o'clock. We'll put some lights back there. They can
yeah,
work
they will put lights here later.
We'll buy more extension cords.
Mm.
Yeah, that's a good idea. Why should they kill themselves in the sun? I
Yeah.
don't want them to kill themselves.
Oh,
I can't even step out of the car for 5 minutes. It's so hot.
yeah.
Today was a hot day.
Mm.
They're gonna have to make that post bigger. The one in the end, the corner post.
Oh, padakaan ko na lang yun ng pustihado.
Ha?
Kutong tukilid.
Kita kaya tanang padakandang. Dugangan ko na.
Padakaan ko na kay
Gamay
gamay ra kayo unsa.
Junior ko na.
Libre ko na mahayang.
I'm so happy to have a wall back here. No more fucking people coming in and out of our place. And then they have to extend the wall back here.
About your chicken. Fucking big chicken. They look scary.
That's chicken. The rooster is scary. We need to clean this up a little bit.
Yeah,
or
I'll tell.
move it. Or move the chickens over here and
I will tell Manong to clean this. How they can see the...
Dito maabdi na mo itong kwanda. Anang cutting.
Ano man?
Gahi. Gahi man.
They said they can't open the cutter. Para asa man tong cutter?
Ano bilyag.
Or just to cut this.
you need a cutter.
Yeah. They can't open it. They can put it, can change the
They can't change the blade. Why?
blade.
It's stuck.
It's stuck.
Okay, they need a pair of pliers. Nando has pliers. Nando can open it for them.
Paano nyo
Give
so
it- give it to-
paswayin kay
give it to
Nando?
Silam kita ni
Nando try it too and he can open it. He can't.
Why? This right here?
Asa raman?
This one?
Oh, in the bag. Check it in the bag.
Taak mo ayo. Ano kaya siya no bi. Ama ginagamit yan daw bawo. Na spring ano mo ikuan na. Kumama ba.
This one?
Yeah.
This cutter? What happened to it?
They can't open it to change.
What can't they open?
This is ours or no?
Yeah. This is the one we bought.
Asa ray di mapatangtangan eh?
It's ours or theirs?
The blade is break.
Broken inside?
No, not inside. It's
I did.
outside. It is inside.
Yeah.
Yeah. Oh yeah.
And I can't.
They can't replace it. And they need it.
Okay, so we have to open this.
Hmm.
They have to open the screws.
You tried. And we have to bring it to the shop, I think. To the shop,
Okay.
the motor, you fix the motor.
Okay.
Okay. So these sofas,
Probably cheaper just to buy another one.
no.
They're only 1,000 pesos. Faster and cheaper. Just to buy a new one.
Kung may gamit palita kay balig usa.
Hang
Kuha
on.
mo palita de lang kamot.
You have enough hollow blocks to finish?
Yeah, have.
And you got another 300 coming, right?
And they say that this hollow block is no good.
This one?
Yeah, so
So paper thin?
yeah. So I just ordered Makinano. Makinano is same and it's just 11 peso. That's the new one there is Makinano. And it's just 11 peso.
Okay. Or you just order, the 14, the 18 peso one.
So expensive.
Yeah.
So expensive, buddy.
Okay. Whatever you want. It's just a wall. As long as it don't fall down.
They say the other one is so good. But of course, 18 peso, it's... So this is the back of our property, huh?
Yeah.
So big.
This is the back. We're nowhere near the house. We're so far away from it. I mean, we could build 5 more houses on this property if we wanted to.
Yeah.
And still have plenty of room to walk, to grow a garden and everything else.
The problem here is no soil. It's all
So,
rocks.
we have to bring in soil so we can plant our grass. Then I'll have to buy a That's all that noise.
There's a house.
Oh, something in the bushes.
Oh, the bushes, I think they burn. Yeah, they burn. The small fire.
Keep burning all the chicken traps.
Yep.
Hindi na makapit ang kawatan dyan.
Chicken traps.
Putangan niya na natog na bildo diha. Bye-bye.
Oh, these guys are crazy. They don't have to mix any sand.
There's sand.
That's sand. What's the sand? Already mixed? Alright.
Mamatay mo init yun nga eh.
Okay, malali na. Ingon siya, trabaho pag sayo. Nya, naghapon, balik mo alas 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. City andang mo.
Tulad na kayo tayo uli.
Lagi. Sunod lagi. Pag mahuman ninyo ron, sulduhan mo na huog na. Full day huog na. Kapit naman ni mahuman. Ito na kadali alis mga buang. Gamay naman namin.
Grabe ka. Muna pa ba?
It will take 5 of our workers to mix this for 8 hours. Sorry guys. I don't mean to talk bad about you.
It's heavy, guys. Take like holder.
Oh my god.
Sakit mong bukas na kulakaw ko doon.
You know what? Take this out of the bag. Give me that the cutter. Where is it? I'll give it to Sammy. He'll bring it down to get it fixed.
Oh, yeah.
Everybody.
Ang bira ba ng katay na dong? Kaya mo na ipaayos.
Giving this to Sammy. He knows everybody. We were at the ICM multi. People were still saying hello to him. We're 3 hours away from Anda in Tagbilaran, where he never goes. He hates it. He hates the city. We're there 5 minutes. He can't wait to come back. And we're walking through the mall, not even 2 seconds, and someone's tapping him on the back. I'm telling you, that guy could run for mayor of Anda and win and no problem. Everybody knows him. Everybody loves him.
Yeah. I fix your flashlight. Okay, let's
And
go.
then we stopped at the corner store to get our soda and stuff for the night. And the girl said, "You have your bodyguard with you?" The lady.